Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you send an email to Epic Games. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead, if you haven't already, and go ahead and open up Epic Games Launcher. So guys, after opening up Epic Games and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have in the Epic Games Launcher and all the games that you can buy. So guys, if you want to send an email to Epic Games, it's very easy, and the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead here into the upper right corner where your profile picture is and click on that icon. After clicking on that guys, now this will open up this new tab where you can either see your achievements, edit your settings, see your account and so on. What you want to do guys is go ahead and click the second option right here called settings and go ahead and open up that. After opening up settings guys, you'll be seeing that you have the options now to edit your settings such as enabling offline mode and so on. And what you want to do guys is go ahead and scroll down all the way down until you find these options: troubleshoot, support, show logs and so on. What we want to do guys is go ahead and click the third option right here called support. So guys, go ahead and click on support. And now this will open up a new external tab in your Internet Explorer where you will be able to either see an issue that you can resolve on their official site. So guys, what you want to do is go ahead and find this blue button right here called Contact Us, and you want to go ahead and click on that. Clicking on Contact Us guys, now you'll be greeted by this new page where you can enter your username and your email, and then you can select your platform. Let's say you're on PC, and here you can describe your problem. So guys, you want to go ahead and type in your problem. I'm going to type in anything, just I need help for a video. You can type in whatever you want guys. You can enter a picture here if you want. And after that guys, all you have to do is go ahead and click on submit an email request, and then you will successfully send them an email and they will reply to you in some time. So guys, that's how you do it. That's how you send an email to Epic Games. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.